So, I compared 3Commas and Cornix. And here's what I found. They're both crypto trading platforms that help automate your trades, but they go about it pretty differently. 3Commas is more focused on giving you a complete trading toolkit. You get automated bots, smart trading tools, portfolio management, and integrations with several major exchanges. It's pretty flexible, especially if you want to build and customize your own trading strategies. Cornix is a little more focused on simplicity. It's built heavily around automated crypto trading signals, so you can follow strategies and let the platform handle the trades for you. That makes it easier if you don't want to spend all your time setting up complicated bots. But here's the problem. Neither platform can guarantee better gains. Your results depend heavily on the strategy, market conditions, fees, and how much risk you're taking. A platform with more features doesn't automatically mean more profit. So, which one should you pick? Go with 3Commas if you want more control and advanced trading tools. Cornix makes more sense if you want something simpler and more focused on signal-based automation. Basically, 3Commas is the more flexible platform, while Cornix is easier to get started with. But when it comes to which one has the best gains, there's no clear winner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.